In today's video, I'll show you how to record a voiceover in Capcut, one of my favorite features of this free and powerful editing app available on both iOS and Android. To get started, open your project and tap on the audio option in the timeline. Then select Record. What I love about Capcut is how simple it is to use the voiceover tool. Just press and hold the record button to begin speaking. When you're done, or if you need to pause, simply let go of the button and it stops recording instantly. It's much quicker than other editing apps like InShot or VideoLeap, where you need to tap to start and stop recordings. While recording, if you stop speaking, the waveform will appear flat. Don't worry, you can easily edit those silent sections later. Just scrub through your audio, find the flat parts, and use the split tool to cut and delete them. To continue recording, move to the next part of your video, press and hold the record button again, and keep going. This makes it super easy to add commentary or explain what's happening on screen, like I'm doing here for a Capcut cropping tutorial. Once you're finished recording, review your voiceover, clean up any silent spots by trimming them out, and you're all set. If you're not happy with the result, you can delete the whole voiceover track and record again from scratch. Capcut works smoothly on both iOS and Android devices, making it perfect for quick, quality video edits on the go. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,